G'day guys, Stu here from Cedar Summit. I'm on the beautiful north coast with the guys from Motackle and Outdoors, and we thought it was time to revisit Helinox and some of their new colourways. Okay, new this year, blue paisley from Helinox. This is the Chair 1. New colourway in the Chair 1 large is scarlet and iron. And then awesome, one of my favourites is the tie-dye range. This is the Sunset Chair, really popular seller. And also brand new is the Incline Festival Chair. Don't forget about your accessories from Helinox, like the ground sheet, compatible with different chairs but really good in that muddy or sandy environment. Another great accessory from Helinox is your cup holder, keeping that cold beverage right at hand. So that's some of the new colourways from Helinox. Ultra lightweight adventure furniture, adventure anywhere. Go and check them out.